Hold on, bro.
What?
Let me get you some stuff.
What you gotta do?
You got down fix the tape straight.
Yeah, tape was good, bro.
Straight.
I already fixed this shit. Alright, so it's shit. Yeah. Motherfucking day.
Another day, another day.
Another day, it's another day, man.
You
Shit.
looking like Pablo Escobar and shit.
Bro, like, I ain't
brother
trying to
got
look like that,
Nah,
but like,
nigga, you said like you look like you sell mad bricks.
bro,
I'm looking like you said them
I'm glad I got this fresh hairdo. You know what I'm saying?
They trying fresh too.
That boy hit that nigga with a laser, bro. Hit that nigga with a
They
laser.
following me with it, you know what I'm saying? Nice little
Nigga
vibe.
hit that nigga with a laser,
Yeah, my
cuz.
sister
You know what I'm
did that,
saying?
adjective, adjective.
Shout out to you, man.
Adjective _berries.
Bless you.
Yep.
Bless you. How your week been, bro?
My week been pretty good.
Nigga lie like that.
Nigga glitched.
What's that you got on?
Oh, you see it? It's Zero. You see it? Zero, the official Zero brand.
Official Zero brand.
Yep. Tag on the side, JB Senior. You see it?
Yeah, you a senior?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's for my son.
You going junior? You going junior?
Yeah, he's
That's
Or
dope.
JJ?
Oh, nah, he don't, Bryce. He don't got no,
Bryce?
He don't really got, nah.
Well, wait. Oh, that's his middle name?
Nah, that's his name is Bryson, but
I
nickname is Bryce.
I'm gonna call him Jay, though.
With a C.
But I'm like, wait. So
calling
like,
Jay.
so how, like he's not a junior.
Jay, yeah.
Like, it's confusing, cuz.
Nah, his real name is James.
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Of course.
See, you know, you feel me? You gonna be nigga right after me, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Yeah. How your week been, bro?
Hell on earth, but I'm here, bro.
Damn.
Bro,
It be like that sometimes.
Dang,
It be like that sometimes, bro.
dang. Nobody's gonna love you like your family, and you can't love nobody like your like you love your
Fact,
family.
bro.
They gonna drive you fucking nuts, but it's alright.
It's a fact.
It's alright, bro. They going next week, so we good.
Can't live with him, can't live without him.
Nigga.
Yeah.
How that shit?
Nah, if
That's
yo,
the same.
it just be me in the crib. So to have all them people in the house, bro, it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
How they
It's like I can go in the fridge whenever I want. I can go get what the fuck I want.
Yeah.
Bro, if I go in the fridge now,
Right.
where you going to eat now? But it's like, why am I being questioned?
You gotta cherish,
Why am I
you gotta cherish that.
What you mean?
I was gonna you gotta cherish that moment, you know,
I feel you.
because you might, like, especially with this COVID shit.
True, nah, I ain't see them old. I ain't see my grandparents old 2020,
Like,
bro.
yeah, and I seen
Yeah,
somebody
COVID,
like,
yeah.
damn,
COVID,
and when
man.
you finally see somebody like,
Fucking
damn,
everybody
I
shit up.
miss them and shit, you know.
Facts, bro.
But I was gonna say, had they seen the podcast yet?
Hell no. Hell no, man. Nigga, they come on phone every day like,
What?
why you talking like that?
What?
Why you talking like that? Nah, I ain't trying to hear none of that,
Boy, I
bro.
ain't trying to hear none of that.
Hell no, bro. They ain't
Time
they
for
ain't
that.
them either, bro. They not gonna
Yeah.
understand. They old school, bro.
Old school,
yeah.
They in
It
their
ain't
80s, bro.
everybody. This
But nah,
podcast is for
it's for
people.
everybody. That's
you know
all
what
I'm
I'm
about to
saying?
It's for everybody, but
this podcast
nigga,
is
my
for
grandparents
every-
so
You gotta
old.
understand this. You know what I'm saying? You
They
gotta
so
understand this.
old.
It
They
might not be for
said
you.
they got a hamburger and Coca-Cola for $1.
Yeah, understand.
That's how old they no, they're not. They got $1, nigga.
They got it for $1.
Nigga, $1, nigga.
That's crazy.
$1.
Yeah, they.
$1, bro.
That's
So they-
crazy.
They could go on their couch and get a whole meal.
Facts.
Okay.
Go under the couch, shake the couch, and coins come out. They got a meal.
Got a whole meal for real.
I look like crazy with the whole mask on, bro. I was comfy. Like,
Yeah, you know who it is. We know who
Excuse
it
the
is.
haircut. I ain't get a haircut.
Good,
bro.
Yeah, bro.
Good.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's crazy, bro. And like,
It
if you
is.
really talk to them, about like life and what they've been through, bro. Like seeing how 2021 and then going back to like 1950 and 1960.
Yeah.
My grandparents moved here when when they was 22 and 21.
Yeah.
Bro, they seen all that Jim Crow shit, but they was in New York, so it wasn't as bad.
Yeah, they seen.
Right. They was hearing it though, right?
They still, yeah, man.
I asked my grandfather about Rodney King. Mm-hmm. He was like, "Yo, that shit was crazy, bro." Mm-hmm. Like they lived.
Yeah,
my grandparents lived through all this shit, bro.
Yep.
COVID, Jim Crow, Rodney King.
That's Black history right there.
Trayvon Martin.
History.
Oh man.
Bro, what? OJ.
Whoa.
Yeah, OJ. Yeah.
Shoot, Malcolm X.
She be like that. He was like that nigga did it.
Yeah.
That nigga did that motherfucker.
I don't know. I'm with Cochran. If the glove don't fit, you must have quit.
Bro, that shit was like a slogan, bro.
It was.
That shit was a slogan, bro.
That shit was for real.
Catchy shit. Y'all been watching that new shit though, bro? I can't watch that shit.
What?
George Floyd shit.
Oh no, I ain't been watching that.
My mental, bro. I can't.
What's up though?
It just ain't
bullshit.
It ain't no
bro.
We already know what the verdict should be.
About to go on, man. But hey,
ain't much need to watch, bro.
But besides that, y'all good? Like y'all straight family?
Oh yeah, everything good, man. Family good.
Hey, I always say I can't call it. I might spoil it.
Can't call it might spoil. What that mean?
Might spoil it.
Huh?
Oh.
Stall it, like hold it up.
Nah, spoil it.
What's spoil?
Spoil it.
Like Spalding? Like the basketball?
Can't call it my spoil.
Can't call it my spoil.
I'm really trying to understand. What is spoil?
Spoil.
Oh. Nigga, I'm
back at it again. Back at it again. It's the guys. It's the guys.
Premeditated audio.
Premeditated audio. What episode? I forgot what episode. I think it's 5. Episode 5.
6.
I believe.
6.
We had them.
6.
We on the next episode. You already know who it is. Your boy Stevie V, aka Everybody Just Chill, man. You already know how we coming, man. You see me?
Yes, sir.
Talk to him.
It's your boy James Brown, James B.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mr. Clean him up, Mr. Swoop him up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get at me.
Okay.
Hey.
You usually, Where's that?
Huh?
Where's that?
Say what?
We was waiting. I
didn't even know this.
I
was just waiting on somebody to ask me. Hey. Yes, yeah, we do got the clothes in the trunk. Yes, sir.
They still in the trunk?
Yeah, I'll be right. I'll be right back.
No. We got shit to do. Sit down.
We on the next episode. Yes, sir.
Boy, it's fresh clothes in the trunk.
Hell yeah, I'm looking crazy right now. But you gotta get this work done. Johnny back at it again, working harder than the coal miner. You feel me? Back in the field.
Man,
let's go for another one.
Back at it. Listen, Premeditated audio. Let's get it first and foremost. We let y'all know that we love all the support we've been getting so far. We appreciate you all for watching.
Every view count. I don't care if it's
watch.
I don't care what it is. Watch everything.
Yes, we appreciate all the subscribers.
Like, subscribe.
We appreciate all the comments. We appreciate everything. So just continue to do that. Share with your friends. We're gonna keep giving it to y'all how we've been giving it to y'all.
We ain't changing shit, bro. We just doing what we do. People hit me up like, yo, like where's I posted any funny thing I post, any promo I post. Like people really hit me up like, yo, like where's the pot? It's dead in my bio. Like it's there. It's there.
Facts.
Right.
It's there, bro.
Fact. And please, please just share and let us know what you think. Let us know what you want to hear next. If you want to hear something that we ain't hit on yet, just let us know. We got y'all. We here for y'all.
If we made y'all laugh, bro, that goes a long way, bro.
Oh, that's
fact.
If we made y'all laugh, we made y'all day.
For y'all.
Yeah.
This podcast for y'all.
Thank y'all.
Let's go. Let's get into this bullshit.
Yeah. So let's get straight into it. All right. So boom. So you know me, man.
Yeah, I know you.
Everybody just. I really been saying that a lot. I got to bring that back. Everybody just chill. So listen, which girl
about to hit us on
got the best pussy? We're going straight there. What type of girl got the best pussy? So when you think about the different kind of categories,
this nigga here, bro.
You think like, okay, you got your coming from my experience, you know, I was raised in a church, man. You know, yeah. I ain't gonna go into all of my family.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
But what I will do is say I was raised in a church. I know who the father is.
Yes,
you understand?
yes, I know.
So in my upbringing, you know, I might have strayed a couple of times. Okay. You understand?
Okay.
And so you got church girl pussy.
Okay.
That first and foremost.
Bro,
then,
what?
You know what I'm saying? I went to school. I'm a young, educated young man.
Yeah.
So you got school girl pussy.
Yeah.
School/college girl pussy. You know, the book smart pussy. Then, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yo,
I love my people. And so, you know, when you black people, we've been marginalized ever since we've been in America. That ain't our fault. But anyway, I want you to understand that there's some things what they call the hood in America. And so we got that hood girl, that ghetto girl, that ratchet girl, that project pussy. You understand?
Okay.
So then, you know what I'm saying? So then, you know, depending on what type of circles you run around, because you run around different circles, you know. I'm from the south side of the city, south side of Charlotte, whatever. So the kind of circles I ran around, you always came across that white girl pussy. Don't you understand? So then we got, you know, on top of that, we got something we call, it ain't on top of that, it's just a different type for real, because we got different categories. Different type is that, you know, you run across the type of people that, you know, they feel like they real popular and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know, they real bourgeois. So we got real that bourgeois. You know what I'm saying?
Bourgeois,
we got that. We got that I don't want to call it prissy, but somewhat like what you call that
high maintenance.
High maintenance. I don't want to call it, but high maintenance could be a whole different category though. For real.
Bro.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just putting words out there.
We're gonna call that what you got? You got low class, middle class. And then what you got?
We can't put them in classes?
Yeah, not the class. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got classes of people that make certain type of money and certain type of shit.
So a certain
high class. What would you call it? High class or expensive class or goddamn what the class?
Nah, because you could be bougie and pussy terrible.
The class.
So you can't.
That's fact. But I'm talking about the class though. You talking about
the person. The pussy is different.
I'm talking about those that got salary. They family got salary.
That's what the bourgeois.
Bourgeois pussy. The bougie pussy. I'm thinking of a different word. It might come to me. Anyway.
Bourgeois.
Anyway, yeah. So different type of pussy. So I want to know who got the best type of pussy. Then you got lesbian pussy. On top of that, you got dyke pussy. I don't know what's the popular vernacular. I'm sorry if I messed it up, everybody. But you got the pussy that is supposed to be for only pussy, but dick slide in it too.
They ain't had it in a while. Is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pass it to you, money, Johnny boy. What's the best type of pussy you had?
Cody, what you looking for, bro?
What you looking for?
I'm good right now.
Out of all the different categories, I'm pretty sure you had a girl that was from church, maybe. You had a girl that was about her books. You got anime pussy. You got girls that's all about anime and shit.
Anime pussy.
You really do, because it's a category of girls that are all about that anime.
Different.
And I feel like they pussy
That's a whole shit, bro.
I feel like they pussy is different. I ain't never hit one of they pussy.
Nah.
But
definitely when you win,
when
you know somebody's personality can make it better. I think that's what Steve was saying.
Yeah,
so what were you saying?
Facts. But it'd be a lot of cap out here. I just say that. It's a lot of cap.
Okay.
It's a lot of cap out here.
Okay.
So the ones that be belligerent and loud and all that shit be cap.
Yeah.
So the loud.
The ones that be shy and reserved and shit be wilding the fuck out.
So that's crazy.
It's not all the time, but it happens, bro. So it's like it's so first of all, every man is different. So it's according to what you're looking for.
For the shot, what you looking for, right?
Yeah, because there's a girl like, oh, she got a fat ass, but she don't really do it for you. Then you got a girl that like you that catch your eye and she the best thing ever. So it's according to what you like.
I'm going for the one.
Yeah, which one you going for?
For the loud one.
The one that's hollering down the street.
The one that used to sing in the choir.
Hey, I was gonna say that. The alto. Off the script, the one that comes to the top of my head, the best one I had is two that they sang in the choir. They were church girl, but as a category church girl, when you go to church girl, then you go to a subcategory. Did they sing in the choir?
It's definitely a category for the church.
You know what I'm saying? Did they teach Bible study? Did they teach Sunday school? You know, you never know what they did. So in my predicament, they was in the choir. They were singers, and they knew how to sing. We're gonna leave it at that. And they knew how to sing to the glory. Forgive me, Father. But yeah, so then I'll put.
And they saying lead.
Lead.
So they no lead.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
They ain't shy.
Nah, they not. They like that spotlight. So I said that's number one. Then probably like, you know what I'm saying? Probably at the bottom of the list, maybe. At the bottom of the list. Damn, I really want to put him out there like that.
Hell no, man.
Fuck it, I gotta do it, bro. Cause
what?
He don't listen to me ever, bro.
You know what?
So goddamn, probably at the bottom of the list is
crazy,
like shorty, like the type of pussy. Shit, damn, man.
Yeah, look at him. Look.
The bottom of the list.
Man, the bottom of. I don't even want to put you at the bottom. I ain't gonna say that. I scratch that. I ain't gonna say bottom. I'm just gonna say top of the list.
Okay, so don't say the bottom. Say the experience that you look forward to, but it didn't live up to that.
Yeah, because I mean, like, for sure.
Because you
could
be like,
going up there, like, she fine. She got to be fine.
It was a couple of Scout Jones and it was a couple of Jones in the hood that, you know,
niggas know what, you know that prepper. You know that prepper nigga got take that shower.
But it won't.
But
every church girl delivered. I ain't gonna hold you.
That's crazy. A church girl delivered. That's crazy.
So that's my experience though. That's just my experience. You know what I'm saying?
A nigga prep up is, yo, you take that shower, you feeling wavy, you got your cut, your kicks is fresh, your fit is fresh.
Of course.
You know you about to get something tonight. Bro. So everything in order. You got all your stuff ready. You got your stuff, your thing.
The girls in the choir, the church girls in the choir. Let me specify.
Okay.
And then you ready to do your thing, and that shit. You should be boo.
Yeah, sometimes that happen though, for real. Like,
and then the ones you don't expect be fire.
Yeah, facts for real.
Fire.
I feel that.
Yeah. Bet. So
for we said church. What was it? The lesbian?
I've never been with a lesbian shit.
Alright, so boom. So I've been with a chick that claims she a lesbian.
She was bisexual.
She claimed before me she ain't messed with no other dude. So I was her first dude that she messed with.
Word.
Yeah. So
like she
before
was
that she was fucking shorty.
She was with it. She was everything.
Yeah, she was with it. She was fucking shorty. And
so
then
she was dyking.
Yeah, she was dyking for real. Like
she looked like a nigga.
Not really, but she dressed like a nigga.
She dressed like a nigga.
She dressed like a nigga, but she ain't look like a nigga though. You know what I'm saying?
She dressed like a nigga.
She look like Hoops.
So you knew she was a shorty.
She
look like Hoops.
Yeah.
She, in real life, she fine.
But she ain't not all the way like that, but you resemble that. You know what I'm saying? That type of vibe.
Okay, so
that's a
girl.
Yeah,
that's a girl.
You know what I'm saying? Because Hoops, you know what I'm saying? She get down with the hoops and shit, but she still got the girly vibe.
So she had a male persona, but she was
basically she came pimping and shit. So I picked her up. But around me, she did the sports bras and shit. Closed door sports bras. you know what I'm saying, regular shorts or whatever. So I'm like, I bet, you know what I'm saying.
Well, why was she so
Call of Duty
with you though?
I don't know, bro.
Nah, you gotta know, bro. Nah, that's cap.
I'm a cool nigga though. I'm a cool
I feel
nigga.
you, but how she pull up on you? Like she bagged you? She like
she walked up on me. She walked up on me on some shit like.
It's like, see, the nigga, what it do, baby?
We was in school.
What it do, baby?
Nah.
What it do?
She was on some cool shit.
Hold on, man. What's up,
She like, I play hoops, nigga. I'll dunk you.
She got that rolled up on the nigga.
You want to what? I was like,
I'll dunk you.
Hey, what's
oh my god.
What's the basketball? Like, wait,
that's funny as
play
shit.
for your heart, nigga.
That's funny as shit. Yeah.
Take that brace off.
Oh my shit. I'm up in the corner, got the arms like
like, what it do, baby?
Yeah, nah, bro, that's funny.
Nah. Tell me what happened, bro.
But nah, bro, it was on some shit like, it's crazy. This might be the first time everybody hear this story.
He crying,
so
bro.
if you went to my school,
Wait.
oh damn, this nigga.
Hold up, bro.
Nigga weak.
I'm playing for your heart.
This shit funny as fuck though. This shit is funny as fuck. Alright, you good?
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, so long story short, Shorty walked up to me. She was on some shit like she had a girl voice and everything. Ain't want to get on her against the shit.
Yeah.
She just
She
walked
flipped the
up.
switch on your ass.
She just walked on some shit like, yeah, do you know do? She asked me about some Greek shit because I was Greek. She asked about some Greek shit, and I was like,
that was her little way in. That was her little.
Basically,
not her foot in the door.
Basically,
foot in the door.
Basically,
You got the beach and you got to tap your foot in the water.
Yeah, so I was like, so then I was like, yeah, boom.
Yeah.
So then after that, I was a part of a mentor group that basically like helped the new people that came to school learn the different places of the school and the library and shit, cafeteria, all that, boom.
Right.
So I was helping her out. She wasn't like my mentee, but she wanted me to help her out type of shit. So I was helping her out, boom. Long story short, nigga.
Whole leg through the door now.
Long story.
I want to hear the details. I want to hear the details. What she do? She nigga, he bagged you like a nigga, bro. She said, I don't know about the Greek stuff. Now I want to hang around with Wait, you asked for the number or she asked for the number?
Nah, look.
I can't even remember how the number situation
Some shorties like that though. They know what they want.
I've met two in my life. Two.
Some shorties do know.
Two.
Alright, so boom. So long story short, I'm gonna skip past this shit. So boom. So
nigga trying to get out of there.
She got cause she was used to, as far as I'm concerned. I don't know if she got the plastic dick in her, but she was used to delivering the plastic dick to other shorties and whatever. Boom, boom, boom. So, you know what I'm saying, end of the day, when it was my time to shine, I shine.
Yep.
And goddamn, she ain't never, you know what I'm saying? When you fuck with a lesbian shorty, it's different from that plastic dick. Now you got real dick. It's warm. It ain't cold. That plastic dick cold. You know what I'm saying? That shit cold.
Well, I've never heard that in my life.
No temperature. You know what I'm saying? That shit got no temperature.
That's
But
a
that
negative.
dick,
That's a
like
negative.
that real dick, or that shit warm.
She ain't had it or she ain't had it in the
You
wrong
gonna feel that real dick. You gonna feel that.
Or she ain't had it in the wrong time.
You gonna feel that warm blood. Oh, what the preacher at the church said? It was nothing but the blood. Yeah, that's what she felt, that blood. She was making all type of sounds she ain't never made before. She was like, damn, I ain't know.
But you
I ain't know it did
you
that.
You definitely have to be gentle because
Bro, she ain't know her vagina did that because
what you saying? What?
Bro, she never had blood dick, bro. She had cold dick. She had dick. She had the cold cut. Nigga, she had cold cut dick.
She was having
She never had that toasted dick. That warm.
But it wasn't a real thing. It wasn't a real thing.
So,
bro, come on,
so she was like, I really want to hear this, bro.
It wasn't the real thing.
That's the story.
It's nothing like the real thing.
It's nothing like the blood.
It's nothing like the real thing.
Save me, Jesus.
Alright, okay. Okay.
Bro, that's really crazy, bro.
How else can I put this for the youngins out there?
But here's the thing.
Wait, what?
For the young ones out there that's watching.
We're watching right now.
It might be a lesbian, Joan. She might be trying to get close to you.
Trying to get close now.
She might try to get to your close quarter. She might sneak into your dormitory.
Sneak up, me.
Well, I want you to know what she had before was real cold.
What she ain't had before.
That blood.
It's nothing like the real thing.
It was nothing but the blood.
Nothing like the real thing.
That saved me.
Save me.
Amen. And now we're gonna pass around the offering.
Nothing like the real thing.
Collection plate. Donation. We can put our cash app in the bio this time. Y'all can put in
real
donation.
thing.
You know what I'm saying? To premeditate out there. We love to.
Bro, that's really crazy, bro.
Bro, but check this out though. Here's the thing that's really crazy to me, bro. For real. Is why every time you go out with a shorty or whatever,
Yeah,
it's a social norm. Like it's something that like society has accepted that the man gotta pay for everything, right?
Oh, my name.
So is it in some shit that like we paying for the pussy?
you in this?
Because here's the thing. First and foremost, I want you to know, it's a brother by the name of Steve Harvey, and Steve Harvey decided that he was gonna be better than every other person.
A traitor, telling trade secrets.
There you go.
Tell
everything, bro.
Talking thick like a man.
First of all,
You had about 10,000 wives. I don't want to hear shit.
after all your dog shit that you
Right,
did,
talk about right.
Fuck Steve Harvey.
Nigga, about 10 trillion kids.
You gonna have the nerve
Talk
to
about-
write a book about some shit.
Talking about. But there's men out here that know how to treat ladies.
Nah,
you hear me?
but look.
Fuck you talking about?
Trying to give up all the secrets, and then for us young brothers out here, we waiting 90 days for some trash pussy. What the pussy ain't good? We waited 90 days for some bullshit. I done waited 90 days, her ass stank. When I got them hit her, I got to again, goddamn. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck them up with
I done hit the shit like that.
90 days for some bull.
When I waited 90 days for some bullshit, we could figure that shit out the first day, one night stand, baby.
We could have been
Figure that shit out. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to be in my life for 90 days.
Now she wanna
we can figure this out the first week,
And
first
she wanna
7
invite
days.
you over to see the family.
I messed around, that mess with 5 different women, understood a lot more of my life. I done spent 90 days with you and wasted it because you ain't got no good pussy. You weren't from the church. I should have known it from the start.
Nah, but okay. Has
Has
pussy ever leveled out? Like, yo, you vibing with her, and then like her
Here's
pussy's
the
good,
thing,
but
bro.
like her vibe is even better.
Even that, bro. Every time the vibe is good, are you expected to pay for the pussy?
Right. No. Are you
pay
not?
for
No,
what? I ain't paying for shit.
No.
Okay,
I ain't paying for shit.
I pay for the pussy.
When you go out,
But
are you paying for the food?
are you paying for the food?
Are you driving your car?
All right, believe it or not,
Is she coming to your house and using your electricity? Eating your goddamn food that you got in your refrigerator. Drinking your water, your Gatorade, your goddamn liquor that you bought, your Hennessy, your wine that you bought, your flowers that you giving her, your goddamn jewelry that you buying for her jewelry.
Are you fixing her flat? Are you fixing her
That's
flat?
what I'm
Are you
saying.
fixing her flat?
Does your shorty do that for you?
my shorty like
Nah. Not that she do it
Wait,
for
hold
you.
on. It's a balance,
she
bro.
do it for
It's
you.
balance.
Do she want to do
It's
it?
balance. So
balance.
I've actually been with shorties that would take me out on dates. Like, yo, we
Every
going-
time?
Not every time.
Why not?
It's compromise. I pay,
No.
you pay. That's what.
Why is it a situation? Why is it that not shorty?
I mean, there's a double standard, bro.
why isn't shorty's hitting me up like, damn, you look fine, I want to take you out?
Not
A lot
like.
of shorties be scared, bro.
That's
I
crazy, bro.
have talked to one of the finest shorties ever at Converges. And I'm talking to a shorty. She's like, yo, I've been wanting to talk to you, but I would like flirt with you and do nothing. Cause nigga, I'm somewhere. My mind be somewhere
But even-
else, bro.
but
I can't.
have
If
you-
you want to
but-
talk to me, just
But
talk to
look,
me.
but
Actually,
have you
my
thought
number,
about it?
that's it.
Like, think about it when you like, are you all the way in, or you all the way in there with him?
Yeah.
Like, what the what?
What you mean?
What's she doing for you?
I need the shorty
Right.
to goddamn.
What's she doing for you?
I need a shorty to goddamn. Hey, I got reservations for you.
That's how it's happened with me before. Black Panther came out. Shorty bought tickets for me. I was like,
But why was you so amazed though?
I got tickets for you.
It should be normal. It should be normal.
Every time.
No. It should be normal. Every time. That's what we saying.
I'm not going to. Okay. I'm normal there.
Alright, so boom.
Right.
So
you
boom.
was really amazed. So you was like,
so what's normal?
I was amazed about that she got tickets because of how popular Black Panther was at that time. Okay. I wasn't amazed that she actually got tickets.
Okay.
Right.
So
like I said, she used to pay for shit. Yeah. We used to go out. She'd be like, yo, let's go to the dude. We should pay for it. Like, it was bad. Like, yeah, bro.
Think about the time where you was actually amazed though.
Amazed for what? That she did an action or she paid for something?
Bro, I feel like Shorty should pay for this dick. Instead of me paying for your I gotta take out a Spencer. Take me out to a Spencer.
You know what's crazy? Yo, you know it's a one.
That's all I'm saying. Pay for my whole ticket.
I want the new J's.
Pay for my plane ticket. You understand? Pay for my blunt. I'm paying for the blunts and time.
I want to go to brunch.
Shit. Instead of me buying 3 trash bags for you buy 3 trash bags for my
goddamn mimosas too. Shit,
bro. Damn. You know what's crazy is that isn't it a 1-to-7, 1-to-6 ratio for like a man to women?
Yeah,
that's crazy, right? But I think growing up, it was thought that the man is supposed to chase after the woman. The man is supposed to do that, provide whatever.
That's what they
said.
The woman
is the goal. The woman is the goal, right? I mean, but
at one point, you know, excuse me.
Y'all ever watch that? Y'all ever watch that dude Kevin Samuels? I never watched none of this shit. But a lot of people like watching that shit. Yeah,
what it's about?
You know what I'm talking about?
What you mean, Kevin Samuels? Nah, what happened? What are you talking about?
That dude, I don't know. I'm watching, but a lot of people watch him because he be talking to women crazy and shit. I don't be watching that shit.
Kevin Samuels,
because I don't consume dumb
the dude with the hat.
the hat and they be dressing nasty. Yeah, I know. And niggas be talking. He a bum. Like he be talking to shorty. Yeah, he be talking to shorties crazy.
He be going off. Yeah, he be popping that shit. He be popping real shit though.
I don't know. I don't watch that.
The dude popping real shit with the suit.
Yeah, I don't consume it, but I'm saying like I just think
that shit funny as hell.
It is, but I think there should be some type of compromise. Period. Point blank. That's it.
Compromise. You gotta care. Self love is the best.
If it's my shorty, it's a compromise, bro.
You sitting on there talking to this dude and he telling you some eat.
Oh, nah, he be wilding. I don't know.
Wilding on
he
you.
be wilding. I'm
talking about listening.
He do be wilding.
He do be wilding. He be wilding.
Where you love.
It's crazy because people really invest in these motivational speakers and these relationship guru people,
right?
For them to like guide them in a relationship instead of, yo, this is my mind, this is what I want, this is how I want to do it. Yeah, and you have Derek whatever, and Kevin whatever, and Steve Harvey telling them how things are supposed to be done, the 90-day rule.
Especially as a man. So
if I'm vibing with somebody, nigga, I'm vibing with somebody, and I'm like, yo, I'm feeling her, I want to go buy her a trip. Yeah. Nigga, I'm gonna wait 90 days for that.
But I'm saying, especially
and vice versa.
Especially as a man.
Why the fuck should be a time be cut off on stuff? There's been no time on shit.
And then telling, it's like we went back telling our secrets and stuff. You know, I mean, women, it's like a puzzle.
Yeah, it is.
So why not be a puzzle for the women? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you gotta figure
me out. Figure me out.
Exactly.
Shit, I don't know what I want to eat today. Shit, I don't know what I want to eat tonight. Shit.
No. You know what I learned, bro?
I'm spontaneous.
You know what I learned for once.
Like what I used to do, right? You used to have our favorite restaurants. And then, like, if I see a restaurant, like, because I drive for work, if I see a restaurant that I know we haven't been there before, I would do all the favorite restaurants. Then I'll do, like, the common what's around the area. Yeah. And then, like, if it's not too late, I'd be like, yo, I seen this new spot out in, like, Valentine. Yeah. Let's go there. Yeah.
Because you don't you don't like problems.
But did she ever?
No, I just think ahead because I know a fat ass gonna be hungry, nigga. Fuck.
Check this out. Did she do that for you?
99 problems, but
Did she ever do that for you?
What you mean?
What you just explained. Did she take the time to think about all the?
I'm a simple nigga, bro.
She didn't do that for you.
She didn't do that for you.
She didn't do that shit for you.
That's when the top.
Tired of that
Take
shit.
it to the top.
We're tired of that shit.
I'm gonna flip it in reverse.
Fuck wrong with y'all, man?
I'm gonna flip it in
It's time we tired of that shit, man.
Do that shit first. Do it for me. I want to hop up in the car.
But I never.
You already got the restaurant on the GPS.
Listen, it was never like, yo, I wanted like Chipotle and she wanted other shit. We always got the same food. You feel
it ain't even about food. Yeah. Hey, I don't want to drive all the time.
Nah, I do.
Fact.
I do. I want to drive at least 85%. At least 85% of the time.
Look, I do. But look,
because
I don't want to drive all the time.
85%. 85%. If I ain't feeling it today, your ass drive.
At first I said all the time.
If I got somewhere to go.
Look, at first I said all, but now I'm saying all the time.
Shout out to the last episode. That shit was funny as hell.
Yeah, facts.
I don't want to drive all the time.
I'm out. 85% of the time I do want to drive, bro.
So check this out, man. What you about to say?
I got places to be, nigga.
So check this out. So boom. So speaking of that, we speaking about shorties or whatever bullshit. Paul Pierce, right? He was on the live earlier this week. Shout out to the truth, my guy from the Celtics. You know I followed you the long way to Shroom where I got the selfie with you. If I find it, yeah. Anyway, Paul Pierce. He was on the live with the exotic dancers.
I just want to say.
Nigga was living life, bro. Fuck all that, bro. Nigga was living life, bro.
And the ESPN.
I just want to say.
Like, ESPN.
Fuck
listen,
ESPN, man.
It's your loss, ESPN. It ain't his law.
It ain't.
It's your law. We talking about the truth here. Paul Pierce, the truth.
I think if he was he has some terrible takes.
He need to be able to do whatever
he has. He be saying some wild shit. He ain't like Skip Bayless or Stephen A. Smith or some shit.
That's true.
Right?
That's a fair assessment.
Right.
He not you and me also.
I feel you, bro. The shit.
Yeah,
I feel you.
that's real.
But he not up that upper echelon of nigga. I'm turning on my some crazy shit happened in sports yesterday. I'm turning on my TV to hear this nigga.
That's why ESPN's lost because they only hired him because he was the truth.
True. Yeah. Because of who you were.
But why did they keep him? Because he the truth. Because he got up on the live.
He was
told him the truth.
Wait, bro, they couldn't.
He had an ass shaking.
They couldn't
everywhere
to pull some power back from all this black power shit that's been.
I mean, because it looks bad, but still,
they was ready to
just living his life.
They just needed an inch of power. Like,
it was him. It was him. It was Rachel. Who else?
He was also smoking weed.
Yeah, 2 other people. Yeah.
Niggas,
everybody smoke weed. They just legalized weed in Virginia.
Yeah,
and New York and Jersey.
But we in the South.
Listen, like
I don't think it's gonna be legal in the South anytime soon.
It's coming.
Y'all, ESPN, like Paul Pierce, you that nigga ESPN.
He the truth.
But they say
you take a win.
My daddy the truth.
When the one door closed, another one open, bro. They say there's another partnership. He getting paid to do some other shit. Like he getting paid like $250.
He made a whole
250.
So
I
got some shit.
He got to do something else on there, bro. He got to go back out. He got to go back out there.
He's good, bro.
Yeah, it's true.
He an NBA player, bro. Well, ex-NBA player, bro. He got bread. He good.
I like to see what he got to say sometimes. You know, when I watch the TV.
Bro, if I retire from the NBA, niggas would not see me.
Shoot, I'm a Kobe fan, so
what?
I would have
property. I would have property. I would then do what Shaq did, bro, and just have all these businesses have property everywhere. Nigga, what's his name? Just sold the island. Boy, I be on the island, bro. You would not see me.
Yeah. Cause you're not as social. Some people like to see you.
Nigga, I have a social meter. Once that shit hit,
I'm trying to get social. But being social, people like to see stuff like that, bro. They like
see
to
what? Niggas nosy. That's what the fuck
nice.
going on. Niggas nosy.
Motivational, bro.
Motivational.
You know what I'm saying? You know, let people know that. You know what I'm saying? We came from nothing, bro. We started from the bottom, bro. You know what I'm saying?
This podcast for motherfuckers started from the bottoms. Podcast for motherfuckers that like they got.
We got good news coming. We got a lot of things coming in the future.
For real.
That real shit, this podcast.
Without God, man, we wouldn't have been here for real.
This podcast for sure that take niggas out on dates.
See that.
This podcast for
I think that y'all should make that normal. That should be normal now. Like that should be normal. Like take your man, like yo, babe, go put on some shit. We going out. Make that a norm.
Facts.
Ladies say, oh, the dudes never do it. Blah blah blah. How about y'all do it?
Go do it.
Every now and again. You know what I'm saying?
How about y'all do it?
Bring me home.
They be like, I did it for my nigga. He wasn't appreciated. Blah 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 blah. Maybe he didn't know how to express himself.
Bring me home some Chick-fil-A.
This podcast.
Maybe he didn't know how to tell you.
I was hungry that night.
That he liked it. Like it's just
This podcast
for motherfuckers.
Baby.
You know what I'm saying? They got this motherfucker.
Who this motherfucker?
Podcast for motherfucker that drink Henny gone fucked up right now.
I gotta read.
They are wild.
Yeah, we about to goddamn wrap up. This podcast for motherfuckers that like to drink a lot, smoke a lot, talk a lot.
Talk a lot.
This podcast for
spoil a lot.
motherfuckers just supporting it like a motherfucker.
This nigga in the spoil.
This podcast for motherfuckers that got allow their shawty to take them out every now and again. Boom. So we're gonna jump to something real quick.
Yeah.
So this is some shit, like some random shit, but everybody, I know everybody.
Quick minute. Like that's going quick minute segment. Something so quick time.
Yeah, like so when you go to the store, whether it's the gas station, whether it's Walmart, whatever store you may go to, you know, it got that little extra option like, do you want to donate 59 cents?
Contown feeling. How much is in my account?
I'm not donating a goddamn thing. The fuck? First of all, why y'all want me to donate shit during COVID? Y'all asked me to donate shit before COVID. Number one. Number two, I'm broke as shit. I'm broke. You see the goddamn, what the fuck?
We done had 3 stimulus
Who
and I'm still
donated
broke.
my shit? Children, I'm sorry, goddammit, but you gotta figure that shit out over there. Where the fuck you at? In Judah? Where the fuck you? I'm sorry, children. I apologize.
No.
I gotta eat too, motherfucker.
I'm hungry.
I'm sorry. You want me to donate the mother? No. How about you, the motherfucker that asked me to donate, the company that I'm buying for? How about you donate? Don't ask me to donate 7 cents. I don't want to donate 1 cent, motherfucker. You think I want to donate 7 cents? What type of random ass numbers? Oh, would you like to donate 7 cents to Jews? Hell no! And I got to click that shit every fucking time that I go to the store. Damn, you should remember my picture. The first time I say no, every time I got now you got me feeling guilty. Shit, damn, I did get paid extra this week. I might want to donate that extra 7 cents. Now I'm goddamn feeling guilty at the shit every time I gotta say no every fucking time.
Bro, I'm out, bro.
Bro, do y'all not gotta do the same shit?
Yeah, me too.
Bro, do y'all not? You gotta do the same shit or no?
Yeah,
do you donate? Do you donate?
It's cause I'm feeling I got how much in my account, bro.
Do you donate? I don't even give homeless motherfuckers on the side of the road $1. You expect me to give you 7 fucking cents? I don't even know what the 7 cents going to. How I know it's going to them? You take it straight out of my goddamn car.
It's just,
how I'm supposed to know?
Just sometimes I don't want. When I'm in a rush, I don't want to be asked.
Do you think it's a scam and it's going straight to their pocket?
My thing is this, bro.
No.
Why the fuck y'all ask me for my money during COVID? This shit was not going on before COVID. I went to the store, I paid for my shit, you asked me no extra questions. Now I pay for my shit. Would you like to donate? No, motherfucker, I want to pay for my shit. Would you like? No, bitch, pay for my shit that I came here for. You think I went to the store to get extra, to save extra cents? The fuck? I'm paying for gas, now I gotta goddamn.
No, that's what I was gonna say. When I'm paying for gas, bro, I'm trying to pay for my gas. I ain't trying to get a freaking car wash. I don't want no car wash.
With the car wash, bro.
I don't want no goddamn car wash.
I ain't ask for no car wash.
My car already washed.
My thing is this, bro.
My shit spit clean.
Right,
inside, outside.
And then I'm gonna get my shit car washed at Circle K of all places, bro.
This is why I don't understand. No car wash, the United States got a stimulus package. Y'all can't send their stimulus to the motherfuckers that asked me for my 7 goddamn cents. That's all I'm saying. They shouldn't be asking for my 7 cents. Y'all sent out everybody $1,400. Y'all can't send them $1.
That's real shit.
Cause they asked my 7 cents. If you send them $1, my 7 cents is mine. Without no question. You take a little shit off the goddamn
I got a penny jar.
Every time I see that shit, I get pissed the fuck off.
Add up.
Like, why you ask me for my goddamn 7 cents?
This nigga had this shit on his soul.
But for me, 7 cents add up.
He had this shit on his soul. That's why he was mad about. He had
tired of shit, bro.
I'm
tired of going to the goddamn store after my 7 cents every goddamn day.
For real, 7 cents add up.
I don't want to get to the motherfucker. I I don't know these motherfuckers. I'm sorry, children.
Nah.
Where the fuck you at? You hungry and shit.
Listen,
I'm hungry too. Shit.
Sometimes I think
I want you to understand. The United States gave me $1,400. They should be able to give you $1 for your $7 that you asked me. That's all I'm saying.
shit.
What y'all got to say?
Yo, this thing is crazy, bro.
Y'all got anything else to say about that?
Nah, I was just gonna say I'm tired of paying for all these fucking subscriptions. you went from the 7 cents. I went to the fucking $14 a month.
How much subscriptions you got?
82. I got 82.
Yeah.
82 subscriptions.
I got
82.
Hulu, Netflix, and Amazon.
I got Hulu, Netflix, Google apps. I got fucking
ESPN Plus.
Yeah, I got
Disney Plus.
I got Mario.
That comes as a bundle though.
Mario. Yeah, I got Mario.
Listen,
all the time.
I got a black owned app. It's called Kevin on Stage Studios. Kevin on Stage Studios. They got some good ass content on their folder.
I got a lot of fucking games on my phone and shit.
You be paying for them shits?
I just be paying. I have 82 subscriptions, bro. I got Apple Music.
Listen, I want y'all to subscribe to our shit, YouTube.
Bro, I got
Premeditated audio. Subscribe, comment, like, subscribe.
Is it the truth? Doesn't sound good. I know when it's real. I know when it's fake. So don't hit my line when it's not good. Counting my blessings, counting my hundreds. Keep them all separate. Blue faces that amount for the aggressive. What's in your heart? That's what I'm checking.
Can't wait to see y'all again.
Round of applause, the best dressed. Red bottoms, you fancy. They love to hate, that's when they impress. That's the devil in a new dress. Close my eyes, don't get fed. My nigga, that's real. So I stand by what I said. And you know the deal. You ain't got a lie to kick it. You ain't got a lie to kick it.
Hey, you motherfuckers still here? I ain't get the fuck out.
My nigga, I keep it real. Real, my nigga, I keep it real. I keep it real. I keep it real, my nigga, I keep it. Hour and a half on a lunch break. So I pull out my phone and I write. I'm hitting up Will for the rice. Damn, Komodo, we made this beat right. And I gotta say, not enough time between work days. 40 hours a week, that's the worst slave. If I work all week to reach your dreams, I never get mine, that's the same thing.